Hi guys, this is a new video about the TikTok application, and right now we will show you how to delete your account on TikTok. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later let's choose the settings and privacy option. And the first one, manage account. Wait a minute please. Later, let's tap on the last one, delete account feature. And here we have to choose why we want to delete our account. I will choose the first option, but you can also skip this step. And I need to tap on the continue, of course, red button. So later, let's pick on the dot at the bottom of the screen and choose continue. Don't forget about to repeat our choice, and by clicking on the continue button again. And right now we have to set our password and to choose the delete account option to definitely delete our account. I won't do it right now, but you can smoothly do it on your device and to delete your TikTok account without any problems, so your user will be deactivated and removed. So guys, if you like this video and if this tutorial was useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!